Shah Rukh lived in a rented apartment in India with his parents and the elder sister. He was excellent in studies. He was amazing in sports like hockey and football. Once, when his school teacher asked him about his career goals, he replied saying that he wanted to be a Bollywood actor. His classmates laughed at him. His teacher tried to explain him that his dream is unrealistic and hardly possible, and that it's better to give up on such ridiculous ideas. But that was not an option. So, when he was studying for a master's degree, he left his studies to pursue his dream to become an actor. But unfortunately, his parents died and his elder sister fell into a deep depression. So Khan took on the responsibility of taking care of her. He had a really hard time supporting himself and his sister. And when he moved to Mumbai and tried to make himself as an actor, one of the toughest periods of his life began. He was struggling with poverty and failures. He was even homeless. I have slept on the roads. There have been times I've been thrown out of my house because we couldn't pay the rent. I've been on the roads twice. As a way to survive in the big city and overcome poverty, he started taking movie roles that were rejected by other stars. And one time, in the early days of his career, once the director told him that he was extremely ugly and not the hero type. But nothing could discourage him. I was nobody when I arrived here, and since I had nothing to lose and everything to win, I decided I would give this industry everything I had. In 1992, he got the role of the second male lead in the movie Deewana. He was cast as a replacement and agreed to do the role for a small amount of the money. He even took the job of selling tickets for the movie at the movie theater. And that year, his patience, hardships and struggles finally paid off when he won his first Filmfare Award for the Best Male Debut. His never giving up attitude, his hard work and dedication made him one of the best actors and the biggest and most successful superstar in Bollywood. He has done more than 80 movies and earned plenty of awards. He started to build his success from zero, and today Shah Rukh Khan is the richest Bollywood actor and one of the richest actors in the world. He is also a humanitarian with an amazing heart and was honored by UNESCO for his charity. Shah Rukh Khan has one of the best motivational success stories out there. This inspiring story of how the boy who struggled with poverty, homeless, and slept on the streets became one of the wealthiest and most successful people in the world will motivate us to never give up. A moment will come when there isn't anything that's going right, but doesn't panic. With a little embarrassment, you will survive. All you have to do is make a move and move on a bit. Whatever it is that's pulling you back is not going away unless you stand up and start forgoing your path in the opposite direction. Stop whining and start moving. Don't let your fears become boxes that enclose you. Open them out, fill them and turn them into the greatest courage you are capable of. I want to let you all know how important here today is and your love is. Study hard, work hard, play hard. Remember, no matter how many times you go wrong, you fail, you feel like the world is against you, you never ever leave somebody else's dream. Thanks for watching this video. Be motivated. Success will follow you.